It's time for another 5-pack. Here we have the Hot Wheels Remote Adventures 5-pack. So I picked up a load of 5-packs from Tesco's, but this one was the odd one out because I went there a few days later and this pack was there. So they obviously had a few more in, and this one wasn't stocked the first time round. But yeah, I sort of looked at it and thought, oh, this looks quite nice. I was sort of uncertain about buying it because at the minute 5 packs are £11 each. So they're not even trying. Like, they're not, it's like tenner. If these cars were £2 each, it's a tenner. They ain't even trying to make 5 packs worth your time anymore. I remember when 5 packs actually did make sense because you'd end up basically buying 5 cars for like the price of 4 or 4.5 cars. Now you're just paying full price, really. Man, it's a shame they didn't do the 2 for 12 club car price. They never seem to do that when they've got new packs out. Anyway, I understand why they do that. Thieving bastards. But yeah, so we got a new 5-pack today. Sorry for the little ramble. I'll have a quick flip around so you can see the old Bronco on the back there. Let's zoom in as it's miles and miles away. There it is. So yeah, I hope you're all doing well, and today we're going to be taking a look at the off-duty, the 15 Ford F-150, the 21 Ford Bronco, the Hyper Rocker, the 19 Chevy Silverado, and the Trail Boss LT. So, whoop, whoop, whoop. Weird sound effect noises included. So yeah, quite a few real cars in this. We've got, well, I say quite a few. We've actually got, they're not in order again, it's confused me. I was looking at the bottom, hang on, the off-duty is at the bottom, but here it lists it at the top. I don't think they put them in order anymore. So yeah, we got 2 fantasies out of 5, so I guess it's okay. I mean, knife. Haha! The box is not winning today. Although the bits of cardboard getting on the nice white paint, they are away. Right, I've painted my wall cardboard colour. I have painted my wall the same colour as cardboard. Information I didn't need to know. Right, let me know down below if you've found this 5-pack yourself, or are you going to keep an eye out for it? Right, let's quickly arrange these. Maybe a bit further back from the camera because I like to film really close to the camera, and it doesn't focus very well when I do that. Also, these look really neat in person, but I look at the camera and they look terrible. Right, so first things first. What's this? The Ford F-150? No, it's the Chevrolet. Oh my god! Can't you tell I'm not from America and we don't get these big trucks? Oh, now I can actually, now I look at the front, I can actually see it because the Chevys have the straight kind of grille and that has the U-shaped lights. Yeah, anyway, we don't get many trucks like this over here, which is for the best because they barely fit on our bloody roads. We do get a few. I've seen a Raptor now and then. We do get the smaller F-150s, but I think they are kind of altered for the European market a bit. But yeah, this is, do you know what, mainly I just thought the decals on these were really nice. Like this silver paint job just looks really cool. It says Trail Boss on the side there and just has all this mountain kind of view. I just thought that just looked really, really cool. Just a really nice, cool livery design, you know. And just the simple silver just looks really, really nice. You can't really see a whole lot of detail on the front. On the back we have the Chevy or Chevrolet written on the rear tailgate there, which is nice. Got a little sunroof, silver interior. Yeah, the detail's not amazing, but I just think that's really nice, that design, and the colour schemes with the sort of the goldy colour and all the blues. Just looks really, really cool. And obviously this thing is massively lifted up, riding really high. You're on a monster truck really, innit? Yeah, I mean, I like trucks, but I don't know, I think some of the American stuff does push it a little bit too far. Especially when they put silly fancy SUV wheels on it and they have like no off-road potential, or the squat trucks as well. Yeah, not for me. That might butt hurt a few people. So things like this are alright when you got some proper off-road wheels and some proper off-road alloys. I don't mind a bit of a lift kit then if you're going to actually be hitting the off-roads. Not if you're driving little Timmy age 3 to school. No, just no, you don't need that. This is nice. I like the simple matte kind of tan beige look. with the stripes on the side there. Very nice, got the Bronco written there. Nice little decals, and we got the mud splatters up the side, so this one is definitely going off-road. Got the brown wheels, I'm assuming to suggest they are covered in mud. These have a tread on either side of them. There's the base. Yeah, pretty cool. Again, not much in terms of light detail. There's a little bit of, well, we got some detail on the plastic. Got some little whip wops, some little wipers there. In fact, so did that one. Tiny little wipers etched into the thing. They're not etched in, but you know what I mean. It's got wipers in it. And in fact, you can see on this side a bit more of the orange stripe. No, you can't. I just ignored it on the first side. I thought it was only had 2 stripes. It's got a lighter orange stripe there. But yeah, no, that's pretty cool. I like that. And we've got the spare wheel carrier on the back with Bronco written on that as well. That's nice. That would have looked pretty good if it had some light details on it. Get the Sharpies out. That's pretty cool. Right, another one with the brown off-roady wheels. I just like the fact they've put some like mud splatters on these ones. They look so good. The brown wheels are all right. This one's got full treaded ones that are nice. The brown wheels are okay. Yeah, they're not that realistic though, are they? If they could produce some realistic looking, well, they probably have on some sort of premium, but if they could produce some realistic looking dirty tyres, now that'd be awesome. But yeah, we got the Expeditions written on the side there in the orange on the black stripe with all the mud splatters up there. I love the matte red on this one, the dark matte red. I think that's so cool. This is one of the reasons I bought this. I just thought the colour scheme on this looked awesome. No real light details. We've got 4x4 written on the back there. We've got the massive sunroof as well. You can see into the interior in there. There's the front. Reasonable amount of detail with the front grille being separate from the body there, which is pretty awesome. And there's the logo repeated on the other side. Quick look at the base. And we've got the big side steps there. Notice them a bit more when it's upside down. And a little bit of detail like the diff there and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's not too crazy. They haven't super lifted it as much as the Chevy. So that's actually, I really like that one. That's probably my favourite in the pack actually. I really like that. Again, am I biased because it's red? We had this in the Nissan pack. But yeah, here we have one of the fantasy cars. God knows, I forgot what it is. Hyper Rocker, that's what it is. Kind of got a brown, plasticky looking, I mean it's plastic. The top bit is die-cast metal, but there's a lot of plastic. All of this sort of side panelling and wide arch kit is all plastic. The base is plastic as well. Full treaded wheels though, which is nice. I do quite like these off-road wheels. They're very unique, very nice looking. Bit of suspension detail there. I think that could be lensed lighting. Just the really dark plastic, I think. It could be lensed, so that'd be quite cool to put a light in or something. That thing I keep saying and never achieving. We've got Hyper Rocker written on the top. The decals are quite cool though. Nice matte sort of green, sort of army green, and then we've got the green and gold striping and stuff. It does look pretty cool actually. It's a bit almost like it's slightly ghosty. It kind of shines more in the light. We've got some brands there as well, and there's your, I guess, big spotlights on the front. 3 of them on the front there. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Not fully my kind of thing, but there we are. And finally we have the off-duty, and I quite like the off-duty actually. I do quite like this casting. I always just think of the one that I got in the in the Stunt Track Challenge series I was sort of doing, and sort of flops every time I do it. But it's pretty cool. Front bull bar, got the little lights there, which I think are lensed. Pretty sure on some castings they were lensed. Got the roof lights on there as well, which is pretty cool. They would be easy to put a light into, make them work. I like the interesting kind of almost fingerprint sort of type decal on the side. I suppose it's meant to be like trails or something. It's almost like livery you'd get on a prototype car, or you know, where they make it difficult to see. Got some sort of interesting side step there. Got the exhaust coming out the side as well. And there's the back. Again, not much in terms of light detail. In fact, I don't think any of these had light details in this pack, but they all had some very good liveries. I say, I'm very happy. I really do like the liveries on the two pickups. I think they look awesome. And this one's actually, this is a pretty cool example of the off-duty. They've done quite a few colorations and actually alterations of that. They've had a few different versions of that, and they're all pretty cool. But yeah, there we have it for the off-road pack. Got to send these down some of the off-road tracks now, haven't we? So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed watching. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this pack. And again, I'm going to ask this quite often, let me know what you think of the new recording area. It's quite hard to actually get it all in shot. Still a temporary work in progress with the lighting and things like that. We'll hopefully get some posters back up and some cool Hot Wheels related stuff, but for now I can get recording again. It's been weeks. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and while you're there, hit the like and subscribe and those amazing things, and I hope to see you again in the next video. But until then, good luck in your peg hunts, and I shall see you next time.